In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error code 0x80073D02 in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first solution in order to fix the problem is that you need to run the troubleshoot for Windows Store app. How we can do that, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Once you have opened the settings window, you need to navigate here at the left pane. Please find for an option which is system. Click on it. And then the moment you have opened the system settings, you need to scroll down, find for an option called troubleshoot. Click in here. And afterwards, you will be able to see three options. Please proceed to other troubleshooters. And here, if you can find Windows Store apps, please run the troubleshoot for it. Okay? So run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Wait until it will be done. It will only take 2 to 3 minutes. And once it is being done, you need to check if the problem has been fixed. Okay? However, if not, then you need to move on to the second solution. The second solution would be you need to clear the Windows Store cache. So by that here at the search box, please type for WS reset. Once done, don't worry because I'll be including this at the YouTube description. You can simply copy and paste it here. So it is the WS reset, which will help you to clear the Windows Store cache. So please click on open under the best matched and wait until it will be done. Okay. And once you are done, try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to navigate to the last solution, and that is to repair and reset the Xbox application. So by that here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. Under the settings, you'll find there a left pane. Please proceed to apps, click on here. And under here, you'll see this installed apps where you can uninstall managed apps on your PC. Click on it. And under the installed apps which are present, I mean, these are the list of apps which are present in your computer. You need to use the search box here and type for Xbox. So once you have searched it, you need to wait until you can see that Xbox application under Microsoft Corporation. Please click on the three dots aligning to it and proceed to advanced options. Once you are done, you'll see an option like this. Please scroll down and click on repair to repair the Xbox and click on reset to reset the Xbox. So please click on reset and wait until it will be done. Okay. And once you are done, check if the problem has been fixed. Okay. So those are the steps on how to fix the problem. If those steps had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.